Ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your bank account never grows? It might not be your income, it could be your money habits. Let's go over 10 common habits that keep people broke and how to fix them. First, let's talk about not having a budget. If you don't track where your money goes, it disappears. Fix this by using a simple app or spreadsheet to map your income and expenses. Next, swiping credit for daily purchases can be a trap. Carrying balances racks up interest. Instead, pay in full monthly or switch to debit until your debt is under control. Third is the lack of an emergency fund. Without one, small setbacks can lead to big debt. Start small, aim for $500 first, then work toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. Impulse spending is habit number 4. Those quick fixes can drain your account. The solution? The 24-hour rule: wait a day before buying non-essentials. The 5th habit is keeping up with the Joneses. Comparing lifestyles often leads to overspending. Focus on your own goals, not someone else's Instagram. 6th on the list is neglecting retirement contributions. The earlier you start saving, the more compounding works in your favor. Even 5% of your income today can make a huge difference long-term. 7th is paying only minimum balances on debt. Interest can eat into your future. Use the snowball or avalanche method to pay off debt faster. 8th is wasting money on forgotten subscriptions. Regularly audit your monthly charges and cancel what you don't use to save money. 9th, avoiding investing altogether is a common mistake. Keeping all your money in savings means inflation quietly steals it. Learn the basics of index funds or ETFs to get started. Finally, living without financial goals can leave you drifting. If you don't know what you're aiming for, you'll have no direction. Write down clear, measurable goals for the next 1, 5, and 10 years. Breaking these habits won't make you rich overnight, but fixing them will stop money from slipping through your fingers and put you back in control. This video is for informational purposes only, not financial advice. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Which of these habits do you struggle with most, and which one will you fix first?